right, Bridgestone test session 230, number second time. All right, went great, went great.
You're pretty consistent.
Yeah, 47s I saw.
24.5, so very similar to last time.
35.2.
So yeah, that's good. Temperature. Hotter this time, 10 degrees. Oh, 15 degrees hotter. Really hot on the left. Whoa, 160s now. 67, 168.
About 10 degrees hotter on the front and a little bit cooler in the rear. 10 from last time.
Yeah, so same idea. Okay, yeah, that was a great test.
The suspension changed it.
It made it better.
Yeah.
It was more normal. Getting back up on there. Let's get the tire warmers on, guys. Get the cabinets on.
Front looks clean. Just starting to get a couple marbles.
Rear was like coming out of the corners up in like 10 and 11. Fucking just, you know, you look way ahead and you just, you know you're not gonna run off the grass and you just get on it, and it would just like a drag bike, and it would just hold its arc, whatever you set it to. But now that I raised the rear, it's slipping out. Really, I should probably lower the rear. Lower it. Yeah, might be the happy ground, because it definitely wasn't like coming out like a race car, like a dragster like it was before. Like, it felt like it was so easy to come out of the corner, like I was on an R1. You know, like
Yeah, I first walked over there and I saw you like passing a couple people in a wheelie, and I was like, oh, there's the wheelies.
Yeah, it's doing it more now. Now I was wheeling up the hill, which is dangerous. Like, no, over the top. Crest, you know, 9, up 9 or whatever.
You get it one more time than Super Bowl?
Yeah, so we'll lower the rear down a millimeter, and I'll talk to Greg about the pressure changes and